In this video, I will show you the new method to access Grok AI for free. By the end of this video, you will be able to use Grok AI just as you were using it on the app before they closed the free plan. You are supposed to head over to your browser. I am using Chrome and type in this kie.api.ai. That is KIE API AI, and then you can see the logo. You just click on that logo and the dashboard will appear on the screen, and you can see it says access the best video, image, music model in one IP. Okay, now what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to click on get started to create an account. You can see sign in to using your Google. So I should choose one of my email, and I'll choose that, and I'll click on continue with that email. And you can see signing in with Google. Give it some seconds to sign you in, and you can see please complete the verification below to ensure account security. I'll just click I am human and give it some seconds to verify me, and then I will be on the dashboard. You can see now here I'll just refresh this or click on get started again, and the app will open. You can see successfully signed in. Now here you can see there is Nano Banana Pro and many other. You can see there's Grok Imagine. This is what you want for this video. Okay, you can see there's video 3 and many models. You can see the models have not yet loaded, so you're going to give them some second to load because I have not used this browser or this browser or this tool. So I'm going to wait it to load, and then after that you will see all the models will load. You can see there's Mid Journey and many others. There's Nano Banana Pro. There are about 50 something models that will appear here, and all of them you can use them for free. Okay, you just give it some second for it to load. Guys, remember to give this video a like so that more people will know how to use Grok AI for free and not the paid version. You can see now all models have loaded. There are 59 models. You can see the first one is Quen Image 2.0. You can see the GPT 5.4. There is Kling 3.0. There is Open AI. There is Gemini 3.1 Pro. There is Nano Banana 2. There is GPT 5.2. Kling AI 3. You can see there is 11 Lab. There is a lot, Gemini 2.5 Pro and Flash also, and more pages. Remember, these are 59 models. Okay, but for this video we want Grok AI, so I'm just going here under search models, and I will write Grok AI and give some second for it to load. Just write Grok AI and click on the search icon and give it some second to load, and you will see whether Grok is available, but let's believe it is because on their top they just showed us that Grok was there. Okay, and you can see it is saying it is just taking some second. Okay, no model found matching your result, so I'm just going to delete the word AI and I will search for Grok, or you can write Grok Imagine. Okay, when I load Grok, you can see the dashboard is here. Okay, now you just need to click on this. You can see there's text to video, there's image to video, and text to image. Just click on that like that, and then you're going to be taken to another dashboard. Now this is the dashboard that you are using it on the Grok app. You can see learn with IP. Now you can see there is all the models available. Model type, there is image to image, image to video, text to video, upscale, and then text to image. But what you're interested most, you are interested in image to video and text to video because we want to create our conversations and dialogue very well. Okay, now you just click on you just remove this and you use yours. So I'm going to give you an example, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my own. I will start with image to video. Just click on image to video, scroll down, and you can see here there is file 1. You should remove this file. This is just for example. So click on remove, and you can see there is select file. So you need to upload your image there, and then you can see there is the prompt space, so you need to paste in the prompt and your dialogue in that place. Okay, now let me go to ChatGPT. I had created a very good dialogue there, and I will copy that dialogue. This is the dialogue. Okay, I want the dialogue for scene 1. I will copy that dialogue here. This is the dialogue here. Okay, first of all, let me copy the image prompt for that dialogue. If you want your image to turn the best, you need to copy the image prompt so that the characters should do what is supposed to be done. You cannot just copy the dialogue alone. Okay, let me copy the prompt first, and then I will go down and I will scroll down and I will copy now the dialogue. I need that for daughter and mother. Those two are enough because you just create a 6-second clip. If you make it too long, then it will not appear well because it will be too fast. Some words will miss. So as for this video, or I will just advise you to use some 2 sentences or 3 of them are enough for a 6 seconds clip. Okay, head over back to our browser like that. Now you need to repeat what you had done. So it is image, it is text to video. No, image to video. Let's start with image to video. Okay, now here under image select file, you just click on select file and you will be taken to your gallery like that. So you need to choose the image you want to place the dialogue. You need to do like that, and then you wait for it to load. It will take some seconds. As it loads, you just scroll down on the prompt space and you need to paste in the dialogue and the prompt there in one space. Okay, you remember what we are doing. We were starting with the dialogue and then the prompt. As for me, that is what I was doing. If you are doing the other way, it's still fine. Okay, now let me delete this. I will delete this. Guys, remember to give this video a like. It will really help me. So just first of all paste in the dialogue for daughter and mother. Yes, paste in that dialogue there like that, and give it some space. You can give 1 line. Yes, separate like that, and then paste in the prompt for the image or for the video, and then you click on learn. You can see there is the learn here. There is no generate or create, it is learn. So you can see there is also other models and other duration. There is resolution. So if you want to change this, you can change, but let mine just be like that, and click on learn. After hitting on learn, you scroll down a little bit like that. You can see generating content. Please wait while you process your request. You give it some seconds, just the way you are doing with the other Grok. We give it some seconds, and you can see the percentage as to which the clip is being created. You give it some seconds until they create the clip for you till the end. This is what you repeat for all your dialogues. Okay, now you just give it some seconds to generate it. It takes some time, and now our clip is ready. You can see it is here. Let me play it.
Why didn't you tell me the truth? All this time I thought you just didn't care.
Sweetheart, we were trying to protect you.
And you can see how fine the dialogue is. Grok is doing its fine work. So after that, you need to click on the download arrow, that arrow there, and download it on your device, or you can long press the video like that and click on download video. Okay, and you see the video will be downloaded. Okay, now I want to give you the second example, which is text to video. Let me do text to video so that someone will understand. So no one will come and complain, or you did not show us this, it is not working on this. I want to show you also text to video because we are interested in text to video and image to video, because you need to create dialogue with Grok. Okay, we have realized no any other app that can do the job that Grok AI does for free. Okay, now you can see under the prompt here, I'm going to copy the image prompt because I want Grok to create for me the image, and then I will give it some space. and I will copy the dialogue under the image prompt. And then you can see there's aspect ratio. I will copy 16:9 for video, for YouTube video, and you can see you can choose the duration, the mode, and the resolution if you want. But let me mine be just normal, and then the others will be just aspect ratio, resolution the same. And click on learn and give it some second of some time. You can see the process. It is progress. You can see the progress. You can see how it is progressing, and when the blue arrow will be at the end there, our video will be ready to be downloaded and used on our content. Okay, you can see how you have seen how you can use Grok AI for free. So guys, if you're watching this video so far, remember to subscribe, remember to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel, and also share this to someone who needs to create content for free using Grok and cannot access Grok AI or cannot afford the paid version of Grok. Okay, you can see it is still 32%, and this is what we were doing on the app. Okay, it is done now, and let's listen to the clip.
Why didn't you tell me the truth? All this time you just didn't care.
Sweetheart, we were trying to protect you.
As you can see, this video is very similar with the last video where we had our own image, so that's AI. So you just download the image again. I showed you how to download the image, and the image will be not the image, the video, and the video will be saved on your device. You can do this with your laptop and also with your phone. Okay, now let me show you the last example, which should be image to video. I like image to video, where I will create my image elsewhere and then I will come and animate or turn them to video and beautiful dialogue using Grok. Okay, now let me head over back to ChatGPT, and I will copy my second line of dialogue here. I want now the daughter and father to speak, so that we can see how the dialogue will turn out. So let me copy the dialogue for daughter and father. Okay, that is enough for a 6-second clip. Okay, we say don't copy the whole thing, it will not turn good. Okay, now let me go back. Okay, let me check whether I have the prompt for the image. Okay, you need to repeat this so that your image can be animated correctly by Grok. Okay, now I have seen I have the prompt. Okay, let me go back to my browser, and here I'm going to use image to video. Remove all the image example available there, and then I will click on select files. Okay, here you're just shown the examples of the video you should upload, because you cannot upload image videos that are too big. Okay, let me go back. I'm not interested in this. Okay, now I'm going to click again on image to video, like that. Let me click on image to video, or it will refresh, because that is okay to have refreshed. I will click on image to video. If you want to use upscale, you can still use upscale if you want to use it. Okay, remove video, then click on select files. After clicking on select file, you choose the image you want to use. It's still the first image. Okay, now here at the prompt, we need to delete this prompt, and we are going to paste in our dialogue and the prompt for the video to proceed. Okay, let me delete this, and after that I will paste in the dialogue of the father and the daughter, that dialogue there, and then I'll give it some space like that, and then I will paste in the prompt I used to generate the image. I will paste it here so that it can turn out very well. Let me click on paste, like that, and then I will scroll down. You can see the mode. There is funny, there is normal, there is spicy. I will remain with normal. Okay, you can also see the resolution, and you can see also the duration. I want 6 seconds. Now if you want them to turn them to 10 seconds, you can turn it to 10 seconds. And also if you want it to be turned into into a higher resolution, that is 720p, you can turn it like that. But if I'm going to edit each at the end of the day, let me be left with what I have. Let me just use the common things so that I can use this for free. If you run out of credits, you just need to create or to log out and log in with another Gmail account, and you continue doing this until you complete the video you are creating. And also remember, the free plan refreshes each and every day. So if for 1 week you can create a lot of videos using Grok, if you have at least 5 emails, you just be logging out. Okay, I have created my video, listen to it.
Protect me from what? The truth? From knowing we were struggling?
From worrying, from losing your focus. Your future matters more than our problems.
Wow, you can see the work that Grok did. Okay, now just download and save it on the gallery of your device. Okay, this is how you use Grok AI for free, as you are using it on the app. As I promised on the beginning of this video, I think I have fulfilled what I promised. So if you have watched this video so far, remember to like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell. It will really help me. Also share this video to those people who want to use Grok AI for free and they don't know the new method to use Grok AI for free. Okay guys, these clips you can download them as I said, and also I have told you how to log out with different emails to create more clips and more videos. Okay, that is for today. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.